matrix A and B will be inverse of each other only if. You have to find out when they get inverse of each other. So to find out, as per the definition and also as per the theorem, A and B equals to I, then A and B are inverse of each other. Then we have A is inverse of B and B is inverse of A. Similarly, BA equals to I. That means B is inverse of A and A is inverse of B. From these two things, we can say that therefore AB equals to BA equals to I should be the correct answer. That means option D. So D is our correct option. Correct option, right? So here answer is D. Now in this example, on this MCQ, if A is a square matrix such that A square equals to A, then I plus A cube minus 7A is equal to, you have to find out the answer, what it will be equal to out of this. So let us solve. We are given A square equals to A. This is given to us. You will take help of this. Now, I plus A whole square can be written as I square plus 2AI plus A square, correct? Now, A square, we are given A square equals to A. We replace I square means I plus 2AI. AI equals to A. So, these are the reason we can write that this is 2A plus A, because A square is A. It becomes I plus 3A. Correct? So, I plus A whole square is I plus 3. Now, I want to get the answer of I plus A whole cube. So, I plus A whole cube equals to I plus A whole square into I plus A. Now, I plus A whole square, I have the value. So, I replace that value, I plus 3A and I plus A. Further simplifying this using multiplication. So, it is I square plus AI plus 3AI plus 3A square. Again, using these two given options. So, I square is I plus AI can be written as A plus 3AI will be written as 3A plus this becomes 3A, right? The reasons: A square equals to A and AI is equals to A. So this is the reason why you can write. Now, further, it is I plus 3A plus 3A 6 plus 1. It is 7A. Now taking 7A on the other side, I plus A whole cube minus 7A equals to I. I require the answer of I plus A whole cube minus 7A, right? And it is equals to I. I means the identity matrix. So my correct option is C. Therefore, C is correct answer. Now, in this sum, if the matrix A is both symmetric and skew symmetric, then out of these four, which one is correct? So we are given matrix A is there, it is both symmetric and skew symmetric. That means A is symmetric and skew symmetric. Therefore, A dash, that is A transpose, equals to A, and A transpose equals to minus. This is symmetric, this is skew symmetric, right? So A is both symmetric and skew symmetric. Therefore, from here I can write A equals to minus A, because A transpose and A transpose are both same. So A equals to minus A. Take this minus A on the other side. So A plus A equals to 0. This becomes 2A equal to 0. Therefore, A equal to 0. That means your matrix A is A0 matrix. That is option B. Therefore, your option B is your correct answer. Right? So, simple one. Now, another matrix 3 by 3 is given, is a dash matrix, and options are there: scalar, skew symmetric, asymmetric, a diagonal. Which one is correct? Let us find out. Considering this as matrix A equals to, I write down again, now I find out A transpose. A transpose equals to, first row converts into first column. So 0, 5, minus 7. Second row, second column. Third as third column. Now if I take minus sign common out of it, minus sign common, then I take minus common, I get 0, 5, minus 7, minus 5, 0, 11, 7, minus 11, and 0. Now, this looks exactly as A. Therefore, A transpose equals to minus A. Whenever we have A transpose equals to minus A, it is a skew symmetric matrix. So, it is skew symmetric. Skew symmetric matrix. So skew symmetric matrix means the option B, skew symmetric matrix. Therefore, option B is our correct answer. Now, in this sum, if A is a square matrix, then A minus A transpose is a dash matrix. So we have to find out which type of matrix we will be having. So let us solve. We are having A is a square matrix. So it can be 2 by 2, 3 by 3, whichever. Now we are having A minus A transpose. I take transpose of it. Then what I get? Let us find out. It is A transpose minus A transpose whole transpose, which is equals to A transpose minus A. The reason is A transpose and its transpose is equals to A. So this is the reason why we can write A. Now this can be written as minus A minus A transpose. You can use dash also, T also, whichever you like. So A minus A transpose. That means it is skew symmetric. So my correct answer is option number B. Therefore, B is my correct answer. Similar type of sum is there. If A is a square matrix, then A plus A transpose is a dash matrix. So similarly, A is a square matrix we are having A plus A transpose. I take transpose of it, I get A transpose plus A transpose and its transpose, which is equals to A transpose plus A. Again, the reason A transpose and its transpose is equals to A, which can be written as A plus A transpose, which is equals to symmetric matrix. Symmetric matrix. Now, symmetric matrix is option number C. Therefore, C is the correct answer. Now, in this sum, if a matrix A is both symmetric and skew symmetric, then A is a dash matrix. We have to find out which type of matrix we will be having. So, solution, let us see. Now, we know that if A equal to 0, then A transpose equals to 0 and minus A transpose will also be equal to 0. Therefore, we can say A equals to A dash and A equals to minus A dash A transpose. This means that A is symmetric and A is skew symmetric, as we are given that A is both symmetric and skew symmetric. So A is symmetric also and skew symmetric also. Now, when do we have this? And when we had A equals to 0. Therefore, A equal to 0, that is 0 matrix. So our answer is 0 matrix. Therefore, the correct answer is B. So option B is correct. Now here, if A and B are n cross n symmetric matrix, both are symmetric matrix, where A is not equal to B, both are not equal, then which option is the correct one? Let us see. A and B are symmetric matrix, right? Now, both are symmetric matrix. Therefore, I can write A equals to A transpose and B equals to B transpose. Correct? We can have A plus B transpose equals to A transpose plus B transpose, which is equals to A plus B, which is equals to symmetric. That means A plus B is your symmetric matrix. Therefore, B is the correct answer. B is your correct answer. Now, if you have understood all the MCQs, we will be having more of MCQs in the coming video. So, very simple. Practice this video, watch again. You can share with your friends, and simple thing, subscribe my channel, and thank you very much.